What's up YouTube, it's your girl Lexi, and you already know we're back again with another video. It's more extreme this time. Yeah, so we are now in Atlanta and I want you to see my living space because I just love it so much. So let's get into the house tour. Is the front door, as you guys can see. So it's like we're walking through the main entrance. We have our key, little hanging thing, and then this is the washer and dryer room. So spacey. It smells so good in here all the time. When you close the door, you can't hear anything at all. We got our hair stuff up there, stuff to wash the This is how it looks coming in. Yeah, that's the living room, and then these are our pictures that we have like here. Beautiful setup. If you haven't got the Bissell, I'm gonna add it to my storefront so you guys can get it on YouTube. I'm on Amazon, cause yeah, it's the truth. It's a mop and a vacuum cleaner, which makes it so good. Still gonna hang this up. We use this cart up and down. Put boxes to go down. This is like a little glass console. This is the makeup area where all y'all will come to get salon done and define. Period. Sorry y'all, my light went on. This is my little setup over here. And here we have the kitchen. The kitchen. This is the kitchen. It does come with one sink, but it comes with a dishwasher. Really cool. Yeah, we got some sofa here, just a free counter space. One thing I must say, it's not enough like cabinet space, but it's okay because we don't really have that much stuff and it just looks beautiful. So that's the kitchen. Here we have the living room, which I already messed up for you guys because why is this on the ground? And my mom jacket right here because kids don't know how to keep the house clean for even just 5 seconds because I literally just did it. This is the couch. This is the setup from the diagonal side. Very cute, very modest. This is kind of empty over here. This is what we're trying to decide what to put here. Like an IKEA thing or something like that. This is where I eat. I don't know what his shirt is. Oh, look. It's over there because he be trying to stand up on the sneak stuff. Yeah. The best part because nothing lasts about it. So this is the yes, we stay right by the highway, but I promise you, you don't hear it at all. And that's downtown over there. In the daytime, you can like see the mountains and everything. It's just so peaceful out here, guys. Like I can't even explain that enough. Come on, Zah. It's a 2-bedroom. That's my mom's room. She can do a video. I just show you her bathroom. This is her bathroom, which is very beautiful by me. Now it's time to go to my room. So this is my room. I just fall in love with it every time. I just fall in love with it every time. I even took the time to put some lights around the whole place, guys. Like, right here I got a little Christmas tree because we had to hang the thing up, and I put the lights down first. But y'all get the point. This is my recording area. When I need to record, I just come over here. Honestly, my next Fashion Nova U-Haul will actually be staged over here, so you will see that. bathroom really quick. That's my Alexa area, my charging area for all my equipment. See? And this is my bathroom, guys. So there I am again. This is my chalkboard, my to-do list. I just erased all my to-do things because I finished all 7 of them. Yeah, period. I don't never put them in my notes. This is my tub though. Spider-Man, Wakanda Man, Black Panther Man is in there. And that's my shower. This is my closet. As you can see, it fits B and Zai clothes, our shoes all over there. I had to hide the balls in the closet because, yeah, he's trying to close the door. How rude. Excuse me. I think it's funny. Get out. And that is it for the house tour. If comment in the comments what y'all like, what y'all didn't like, what y'all think I should change, what y'all think I should add. I want to know all that from y'all because, you know, your girl love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel because we on our way to, what we on our way to? I don't even know where we at, honestly, because I stopped. But we gonna come on for Vlogmas, like all that. We lit. I'm not even lying this time. I promise you, we're lit. Yeah, like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, and we're out.